Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is going to be super quick. Number one, I'm low on storage, and number two, that was three, I'm running late. So yeah, we're about to make this super duper quick. Okay guys, so you know I have already applied my NYX white base to my eyelids. So now we're gonna go in with these two colors, this one and this one. These are the two colors out of the James Charles palette. Yes, I know that he is canceled. However, I spent my money dollars on this, so we're gonna continue to use it until it runs out. So we're gonna start out with like this light purple here and just apply it all to our lids. Now I like to kind of look up just to make sure we got it going in the right places. And you want to kind of bring it in as much as you can. That was just one stroke. Okay, so now we're going in with that deep purple, and we're going to apply that to like the crease. Just want to make sure you blend that out completely. Now to kind of deepen this up just a little bit, we're going to go in with like a little bit of black. Not too much black, just like very little. Hold my head up, just make sure I touch everywhere that crease is. I don't know what it is about it, but when you hold your head up, it kind of makes it a little bit better. So alright guys, so I've already done my cut crease and like kind of filled in the edges or whatever. Y'all know I be doing like the blending shit. Anyway, we are now going to go in with that green from the James Charles palette. I think we're going to use all of James Charles today. So we're going to use the green and we're just going to apply that right here, like so. We're just going to do like a nice little build up on that. I like to do a build up because I feel like if you do a build up on it, you get like more of the color to pop out. It becomes more pigmented. So like I just continue to dip until I get it to where I need it to be. With that light blue from the palette, which is this color. I don't know if you guys can see. Yep, that color. We're gonna go in and we're just going to apply that here. I used a smaller brush than the one before because this is like a smaller area we're covering. So, and I like to kind of take it into like the green or whatever color I have there, just to make sure it's a nice little blend. So just lightly tap it like over top. Yeah, I decided to get out of bed like super late today. So I'm running like super late. I was like, oh, I got time. Wrong. No, you don't. I'm supposed to be leaving my house in exactly 30 minutes and my eyes aren't even done. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can pull this off. Okay, so now we're going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. You guys know I use the foundation. Here lately I've been using Creamy Cocoa. I usually use Nutmeg, but here lately I've been using Creamy Cocoa. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the color Fawn. So we're just gonna apply that. And we're just gonna highlight. Again, guys, I'm so sorry. This is going to go super duper quick because I am running super duper late and I still have to do my hair, so yeah. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but and then after I do that, I like to go in with like a lighter color. This is ColourPop's, what color is this? Medium dark, 19EA, I think. Shit, I don't know. But I like to do that. So I like to start out with like a dark contour. I'm sorry, y'all. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired. A dark highlight, and then I like to go in with a lighter highlight. Again, this is gonna go like super quick. If I can find my brush, super quick, because I have to be gone. But y'all know I like to have a full face, so yeah. I just found that if you start out with like a darker color, that the blend out is so much better and it doesn't look as harsh, you know. So, alright, let me finish blending out the rest of it, and then I'll come back and we'll finish. Russian, I have finished my face. We are now going to set it. This is again the the Makeup Revolution translucent mixed with the banana powder. And I'm just putting this under my eyes. Anywhere there is a highlight, then that's where I like to put it. I also like to put it kind of towards down the middle of that contour as well, just so it helps blend out the contour. You know, it's not as harsh. So kind of bring this in a little bit. I don't like to just like leave it unblended, like too heavy under my eyes, because I feel like that's what causes flashback. So when I put it on, I kind of like to blend or pat it down into the skin, so it's not as harsh. Like I've seen people just put it on like this and just leave it under their eyes. I can't do that. Maybe it's the product I'm using, but yeah, I can't. Like, be too damn bright. Be out here looking crazy. Crazy. I'm telling y'all, if y'all just put like a little down your contour, oh, it's gonna bring it out, mama. It's gonna bring it out like so much more, and it ain't gonna look as harsh like when you turn or whatever. You know how sometimes you can completely yeah, it ain't gonna look as harsh. So do this, boo, and you'll go far. I don't set down my nose. It's just a personal preference. Like, I just don't like that powdery look down my nose. I've seen people who set down the nose and it looks fine, but like for me, I just don't like the way it looks, so I don't do it. I do set under my cheekbones. Y'all, I apologize if you can see my lace. Bitch is going through a lot this morning. I gotta go fix it, which is the reason why I'm rushing. Should have totally done it last night and I didn't, so whatever. Alright guys, so I have applied black eyeshadow to the bottom of my lashes. I've also applied mascara. I'm gonna go back in with one more coat, but as of right now, we're gonna take this kabuki brush and just wipe off any excess of the powder. I like to make sure I get in this area right here because I feel like it's always like a hard demarcation line right there, and I fucking hate that. So we're just gonna blend it, blend it, blend it. This is so cute, right? That's cute. Okay, so we're gonna blend that. All right. Yeah, my lace is totally showing. I'm sorry, guys. Like, it's been a rough day. And the lace is not secured today. So, sorry. So now we're going to take this blush right here. I'm going to just dab it a little bit. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand because I don't want it to be too harsh. So I had a blush brush that I loved. And when I was cleaning my brushes, I have no idea what the hell I did with it. So, I guess I just kind of lost it. Whatever. So we're just going to blend out. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going so fast. Like, it's really late. I'm running really late right now, so yeah, I'm sorry. You guys are just gonna have to get this fast work for me because I was supposed to already be gone. So all right, so this is the 𝒂𝒑𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂 highlighter, and I'm just gonna take a fan brush. I'm gonna take some and just apply it. Don't worry if it's looking crazy right now. You'll blend it out. I don't want to take too much. So I literally try to work from like the top. Like I'll go in there and like that. I try to work from there because I feel like the actual can or container or whatever is like, you'll just grab too much damn dust. And I don't have time to be out here looking real bright. Shining bright like a diamond. I don't have time for that, so I try not to work too much from it. Like right now we are shining bright like a diamond. I'm going to show you guys how to kind of diffuse that a little bit. So what you do is you take like your highlighter brush, right? This brush right here, and you just kind of blend it out. You see, it'll take it down. You could, boo. You could. Don't even worry about it. You could. Okay, and now we're going to blend out these little cheeky cheeks over here. Right there, right there, right there. All right, mama. And then I'm going to set this. As soon as I find my setting spray. Yeah, we're going to set it. This right here. Set. And you just let that kind of sit. While that is sitting, I'm gonna go into my hair real fast, and then I'll try to come back and give you guys a full view of this look. But these eyes, like, I'm so in love with the eyes. They came out really great, especially since I was fucking rushing. But yeah, make sure that you like and you subscribe, my love. Stop doing me like this. Like and subscribe. Let's go. All right, peeps, this is the finished look. I'm not really sure what the hell's going on with my hair, but I'm kind of in a rush right now, so I don't have time to fix it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and you subscribe. I definitely appreciate all the love, boo.